Hey everybody, welcome to the Workflow of the Week or WoW update. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about massive updates to our processing system. So if anybody remembers, we build everything on top of our API solutions. And so one of the things that we have is mod opti, we have mod plate, we have mod scan, and each one of those different tools, as we did our migration, had to go ahead and be updated to go ahead and match the new IP addresses and things like that as things had gone along. As we went ahead and we went through that, we actually made everything not hard coded this time, which means if we move from one other data center to another data center or something like that, this will never end up happening again. Everything is now built off of URLs, which is perfect. And the only time that would end up changing is if we end up doing this on an on-prem on someone else. But we've identified all those parts and pieces, and we're putting it into an Ansible solution. So when we go ahead and we kick all those out, it'll update all of it. And as well, we're making Jenkins go ahead and do all the processes that are on top of it. So what are we talking about? We're talking about literally a single click deploy servers, processes, updates. Only difference will be what kind of UI they want. So that's something that I'm working on right now, is making it to where all the web pages then get themed by whatever our client is. So right now, obviously, all the web pages are themed for us because they're our web pages. So as we continue moving forward, that's something that we're going to be doing for our clients. So what do we figure out? We figured out that Ansible is obviously a very powerful solution. Matching that with Jenkins to go ahead and do our processes, we're going to be able to go ahead and deploy everything out. We're making a fully hyperconverged infrastructure, which then means all our storage, our data, our RAM, our GPUs are all in the same exact servers. And on top of that, we are using Kubernetes for the persistent assets. And then for our processing solutions, we're actually segmenting them out so that we can have deeper control and RAM capabilities. Because if anybody doesn't know, Docker containers after 128 gigs start to end up having some fallover issues when it comes to some really big stuff, and we do processor on that side. So everybody go to modtechlabs.com and go ahead and sign up for our wonderful accounts, and of course, keep curious.